Just 2 items. One is for Jack and Charles. Congratulations and best wishes. The next item is quite personal to me. I just want to thank and recognize these people who make time, effort just to attend this celebration. First, my wife's siblings who had aligned their time just to come to the Philippines to attend. Thank you very much. But I want to name them. Not all age, huh? I just pick names in random. First is Orlando Cabra. Please stand. Next is Nelia Cabra Gutierrez. Please stand. Next is Ana Marie Cabra. Please stand. Next is Joselito Cabra. Please stand. Next is Jose Cabra Jr. Next is Adeline Cabra Maquinado. On my side. I forgot. Angelo Cabra. On my friends from family, from my own side, just want to acknowledge Atty. Edwin Alexander. Please stand. Next is Architect Rene Manay. Please stand. Next is Chief Engineer Rinaldo Saraya. Please stand. Next is Engineer Jesus Dinosati. And sorry, I did not get your names from Charles side. Please stand. Please stand. Please stand. Thank you very much.
Salamat po sa parol ko, sir. Sino pong absent? Okay po. Akala namin iiyak kami sa message ni sir, nag-roll call pala. Ito naman. Message ni Mami! Palakpak naman po dyan.
Charles, Jan, congrats po nga na sana magmahalan kayo ng lubos na kayo. Kaya, abangan pasensya.
Dali, parang may pagbabanta po. Habaan, pasensya. Okay, si Mami at si Daddy naman, sir. Ay, Eva po. Sir?
Una-una po, magandang hapon tayo lahat. Salamat you accept our son as a member of the family. We hope that we will do what is as a family. Do his best as a family. So, Charles and Jan, whatever I can say is remember the advice of our parents, please. good luck.
Si Mami naman po. Eh, may pagbabanta din si Sir. Good luck. Paano mo ba dapat ang tamang good luck?
Good afternoon to each and everyone sa mga walai and mga kumadrigan. Good afternoon to everybody. As my brother has said, thank you very much for accepting our son chance. I am happy that he's happy here. He's happy here. And then, congratulations, Charles. I wish you the best of everything. Narinig niyo lahat ang mga sinabi ng pare sa simbahan. Ang marriage ay hindi basta-basta. It takes triangle. Charles, jump in the Lord. So, may kasabihan, sabi sa, sorry, I am emotional. Always remember that marriage is not always in a bed of roses. Remember, have you seen roses? Yes, you have seen. Roses have thorns, but both of you must be patient. We wish you, in behalf of our family, Margate City, and Benguet, we wish you the best of everything. Thank you very much, and God bless.